Hi, I'm Elliot Jose, Regional Sales and Technical Manager at Chauvin, Arnoux, UK. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to our IRD server using the PEL 113. That being said, let's get started. So you might be wondering, what is the benefit of connecting the PEL 113 to our Internet Relay device server? Well, this will enable you to download logged sessions, start and stop, or even reschedule recordings, and much more, all from the comfort of your own home. If a site is a few hours away, as we all know, it can be costly for businesses to send someone out to collect a logger just to download the data. Being able to do this remotely can save time and resources. First up, I strongly recommend that you check out our video on how to connect the PEL 113 to Wi-Fi or LAN, as this step needs to be completed first. I'll leave it a link in the description. Once that's done, you're ready to connect the PEL 113 to the IRD server. First, click on Modify the configuration settings by clicking on the spanner icon. Then, navigate to the Communications tab along the top and enable Data View Sync IRD server. Once that's done, change the connection type to the method you're using. I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll leave it as it is. Then click Register. It should now say Successful. If the PEL and the computer are on the same network, it will automatically connect over the network rather than using our server. However, to showcase how to connect over to a different network, I'll connect my laptop to my phone's hotspot. Then click the PEL that you'd like to connect via the IRD. Then click the Modify Connection Settings button. Choose the Data Sync IRD option and then click Next. On the back of the PEL, you'll find a QR code. The serial number is on the left-hand side of the QR code and the password is along the bottom. Then, type everything in the password section. Click Next and it will confirm that a connection through Data View Sync with the instrument has been established and that you're now successfully connected to our IRD server, allowing you to remotely download log data and much more from anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching. You can see how easy it is to remotely connect the PEL 113 to our IRD server. If you have any questions or would like a demonstration, please don't hesitate to contact info@chauvin-arnoux.co.uk.